Well, we finally got some water running on our waterfall that we're building. Got a little bit more to go, but we're getting there. We are getting there. This is the pond right here. It's a 1 acre pond. And we put this waterfall on this 1 acre pond. And it's looking actually pretty good. Look down here. We're going to spread it so that the water comes out almost all the way across. But for now, this is what we got. Pretty good, huh? Dugybear Hardscaping. You want some work done like this? Call me, 503-547-4467, and we will hook you up.